Milk thistle is a plant that comes from Asia and the Mediterranean. People use it as a natural remedy to help with different health problems. In this video from the Daily Eco, we talk about its properties and benefits. We also explain how to use it and mention any potential side effects and things to avoid. So, let's get started. The plant contains various active components such as silymarin, taxipholline, oleic acid, palmitic acid, proteins, among many others. These substances give milk thistle numerous beneficial properties. The most notable one is its ability to protect and regenerate the liver, making it an excellent hepatoprotective agent. Additionally, milk thistle also possesses other properties: anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, anti-allergenic, diuretics, digestive, antidepressants, among many others. Benefits of milk thistle. Due to its various properties, milk thistle is commonly used as a natural remedy to address a wide range of ailments. Some notable benefits include assisting in the treatment of digestive issues and poisoning, being beneficial for hepatitis and fatty liver conditions, helping with circulation problems such as numbness in the extremities, varicose veins, or hemorrhoids, reducing symptoms associated with seasonal allergies and enhancing the effects of antihistamines, aiding in the treatment of cystitis and prostatitis due to its anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, lowering blood sugar levels, easing discomfort during menstruation and menopause, alleviating symptoms of liver damage caused by excessive alcohol consumption, treating topical conditions like wounds, sores, and burns when applied directly. How to take it. Milk thistle can be consumed in different forms depending on the desired effect. It can be prepared as an infusion or decoction, taken as a powder, tincture, fluid extract, or in the form of pills and capsules. The choice of preparation method depends on the specific purpose for which you intend to use it. Infusion of milk thistle. To prepare a simple milk thistle infusion, you need 4 tablespoons of dried milk thistle seeds and half a liter of water. Then follow these steps. Crush the seeds. Heat the water in a pot and remove it from heat once it starts boiling. Add the crushed seeds. Return the pot to a simmer and stir for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and let the mixture steep for a few minutes. Strain the liquid to remove the seeds. For a sweeter taste, you can always add brown cane sugar. It is recommended to drink 1 or 2 glasses of the infusion per day, preferably on an empty stomach and before lunch. Remember not to keep the mixture in the fridge for more than 1 night. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. What do you think about the following statement? The ancient Greeks and Romans drank milk thistle. False, true. Have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. Milk thistle has been used as a natural remedy for at least the past 2,000 years. Milk thistle for topical use. For treating burns, sores, or wounds, you can create a mixture using milk thistle along with horsetail, alfalfa, restored root, and oak leaves in equal parts. Here's how to prepare it. Combine milk thistle, horsetail, alfalfa, restored root, and oak leaves in equal amounts. Add 4 tablespoons of this herbal mixture to a liter of water. Bring the water to a boil and let it simmer for 4 minutes. Remove from heat and allow the mixture to steep for 5 minutes. Strain the liquid and, once the mixture has cooled, you can use compresses or gauze to soak it and apply it to the affected area. This herbal mixture can be applied topically to the area needing treatment. It's important to ensure the mixture has cooled before using it to avoid causing further discomfort. Side effects and contraindications. While milk thistle offers numerous benefits, it's important to avoid excessive consumption as it can have a laxative effect. Additionally, when applied to highly sensitive skin, it may cause itching or dermatitis. As for contraindications, it is advised not to take milk thistle if you are currently taking antidepressants, you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you have high blood pressure. If you have diabetes, it is advisable to consult with your doctor before using milk thistle to ensure it is safe for you. Remember, it is always important to exercise caution and seek professional advice, especially if you have any pre-existing conditions or are taking medications. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comment section below if you have ever taken milk thistle. See you next time!